I'm about to show you 5 everyday things in your house that are quietly poisoning you. I used every single one of these for years, thinking they were harmless. It turns out that assumption was completely wrong. You buy these products to feel clean, safe, and comfortable. Instead, many of them are releasing invisible chemicals into the air, food, and even onto your skin. The wild part is that fixing this doesn't require a lifestyle overhaul or a big budget. In the next few minutes, I'll break down the 5 worst offenders hiding in plain sight and show you the cheapest, easiest swaps to fix them. Stick around, because number 1 catches almost everyone off guard. Let's start with number 5. The fifth thing secretly poisoning your home is air fresheners and scented candles. That cozy smell you love often comes from burning or spraying petroleum-based chemicals directly into your living space. Most scented candles are made from paraffin wax, and when paraffin burns, it can release chemicals such as benzene and toluene, which are known carcinogens and are also found in cigarette smoke. That fresh linen scent isn't clean at all. It's a chemical cocktail hidden behind the word fragrance. Air fresheners are just as harmful. Many of them emit volatile organic compounds and formaldehyde into the air, filling your home with chemicals that linger long after you notice the smell. The fix is surprisingly simple. Switch to beeswax or soy candles, use an essential oil diffuser, or open your windows more often. Fresh air is still one of the best air fresheners you'll ever find, and it costs nothing. The fourth thing quietly harming your health is nonstick cookware. That easy-to-clean surface feels like a modern miracle, but it comes with a hidden downside most people overlook. Many nonstick coatings are made with PFAS, often called forever chemicals because they don't break down in your body or the environment. While older chemicals such as PFOA have been phased out, today's pans still rely on PTFE. Under normal heat, PTFE is stable, but if a pan overheats, which can happen in minutes on high heat, it can release toxic fumes that cause flu-like symptoms known as Teflon flu. Scratch pans are even worse because the coating is already degrading. The long-term fix is worth it. As nonstick pans wear out, replace them with cast iron or stainless steel. They last for decades, cook beautifully, and don't release chemicals into your kitchen. The third thing secretly polluting your home is conventional cleaning products. The irony here is hard to ignore because the products meant to clean your house often make your air dirtier. Many household cleaners contain ammonia and bleach, which release volatile organic compounds into the air. Studies have shown that everyday cleaning products emit hundreds of VOCs, many of them hazardous. The EPA even warns that indoor air can be far more polluted than outdoor air. Every spray, wipe, and scrub adds more chemicals into the air you breathe. The fix couldn't be simpler or cheaper. White vinegar and baking soda can replace most household cleaners. A basic vinegar and water spray handles counters, glass, and floors. If you prefer store-bought options, choose brands with transparent ingredient lists, not just green packaging. If this is already making you rethink what's in your house, take a second and hit subscribe. This channel focuses on simple, realistic ways to live healthier without going overboard, and subscribing helps me keep making these videos for you. Now let's get into number 2. The second everyday item putting your health at risk is plastic food containers and bottles. Almost everyone uses them, and virtually no one questions them. Plastics aren't as stable as we were led to believe. Chemicals such as BPA and phthalates can leach into food, especially when plastic is heated, scratched, or worn down. That's why microwaving food in plastic containers is such a big problem. Even products labeled BPA-free aren't necessarily safe. Many companies replaced BPA with similar chemicals like BPS or BPF, and research suggests these may be just as disruptive to hormones. The fix is straightforward. Switch to glass food storage containers and use stainless steel or glass water bottles. You don't have to replace everything today. Replace plastic items as they wear out. Small changes here make a massive difference over time. The number 1 thing secretly poisoning your home is your laundry detergent and dryer sheets. This one is sneaky because the warning sign smells like cleanliness. That strong, clean laundry scent usually comes from synthetic fragrances hiding hundreds of chemicals, some of them carcinogenic. When clothes tumble in the dryer, heat releases those chemicals into your home and out of your dryer vent. Dryer sheets make things worse by coating your clothes in a waxy chemical film that reduces static. That residue sits on your skin all day and releases chemicals into the air while you sleep. Many of these compounds are linked to asthma and skin irritation. The fix is the easiest on this list. Switch to a fragrance-free, plant-based detergent and ditch dryer sheets altogether. Wool dryer balls soften clothes naturally, reduce drying time, and save money without adding chemicals to your home. These are 5 everyday products quietly contaminating your living space. Air fresheners, nonstick cookware, cleaning products, plastic containers, and laundry supplies. Don't panic and throw everything out at once. Use the swap as you run out rule. Replace items one at a time to reduce your chemical exposure without stress or waste dramatically. Now I want to hear from you. Which one shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments so others can learn from it too. If this video helped you, subscribe, hit the bell, and share it with someone who still thinks that strong, clean smells mean safe. Small changes start with awareness, and awareness spreads when you share it.